This week we have the Federal Reserve interest rate decision in the UK evening time at 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Now, markets are expecting the Fed to remain on hold, with short-term interest rate markets seeing a potential peak in the Fed interest rate decision, and some economists do actually project a 25 basis point rate hike, but the expectations are the Fed will be on hold and perhaps signal peak interest rates. What's interesting is heading into the Fed meeting, the SP 500 from a seasonal bias has gained on average 62% of the time with an average return of 0.36%. There have been some pretty outsized returns, including this 9.56% outsized return around the 2008-2009 area, as well as being some significant losses, including a 3.10% loss as well. So with the expectations increasing that perhaps the Fed is signaling peak interest rates, will we see the S&P 500 gain into the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday? Key risks, all outlooks have risks, and of course this is no exception. The main risk here, of course, is the geopolitical crisis going on in the Middle East. If that expands and accelerates, perhaps if Iran gets involved in the conflict, then we could see some S&P 500 selling despite this seasonal buy bias. So there are major trade risks with this outlook despite the seasonal upside that has been seen in previous years. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it.